the auto enthusiast community continued to demand bigger, bolder performance. The kind that comes from a naturally aspirated V8 engine. And Lexus listened, but they launched their first ever IS500 F-Sport performance with one catch. You can't be the first to buy it, unless you're fast enough to drive it. Only the 10 fastest lap times will advance to the second round.
This is sweet.
Qualifying one, getting your feet wet, getting familiar with the car.
Oh no, the car is very fast.
It's so much fun.
I was so utterly terrified.
It sounds great coming down the straight.
You step on the gas pedal, feeling the roaring. That was nice.
With bragging rights up for grabs and time ticking down, only the 10 quickest drivers raced on, while 4 drivers got knocked out. The stakes have been raised. Now just the 5 fastest will earn their spot in the final round.
That's my expectation.
I'm shooting for that top 3.
Round 2, here we go.
There's so many different areas where you can shave time and gain speed.
Got first place in the first heat, and I gotta keep it up.
By the second run around, I definitely felt a lot more confident.
Okay, Hot Rod. Nicely done.
As the margin of error got smaller, times got lower.
The guy ahead of me is pretty fast, so it's gonna be hard to top.
While pressure continued to rise.
Get that every time, don't even look.
Warm it up, baby. Warm it up. It's all the power to the ground, in the right places, at the right time. 35-30. All right. Woo! Let's go.
Sick, baby.
The best of the best advanced, the rest did not.
Here we go.
Each driver pushes their limits to gain the slightest edge and all the bragging rights. Some push too far for their own good.
Number 1 guy literally just overcooked 2 and 1. The whole game just got changed. The whole field is now changed.
Mike, just gotta stay on the track.
Who would push their way to the top of the podium? And who wouldn't?
So glad it's good enough.
When the dust settled, only 5 drivers were left standing. Each of them earned exclusive access to getting the IS500 early. 3 of them celebrated at the podium.
And the fastest driver at License to Thrill, Michael Papin.
And one of them got the surprise of their life.
One more thing. You just won a freaking IS500.
Home with one. Friends and family, they're not going to believe it, and I don't believe it.
Wait, you thought it was over? Remember this guy? Well, we have this track. We have this car. Time to see what the IS500 can really do. Can Townsend beat Mike P? Here's a checkered flag, black and white. In the end, Lexus's response to the auto enthusiast community was a bold one. The first ever IS500 F-Sport Performance.